So let's solve this question. This is a question from linear equations chapter, class 10, CBSE mathematics. The question is, the boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go to 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of stream and that of the boat in still water. Now you can see here the stream. So this is a stream where the boat is going from downstream to upstream and upstream to downstream. Now let us define speed of stream as Vs. Vs be the speed of stream and speed of boat be Vb. So speed of stream is always downwards because the water flows from higher region to lower region, and the boat is moving either from down to up or up to down. So based on that, the equations will change. Now let us because time is given here 10 hours, so let us find the equations for time. So time taken by the boat for going upstream, tu, equals to distance traveled by the speed. Distance is, it goes 30 kilometers upstream, and the speed is, because speed of boat is subtracted by the speed of stream. The speed of stream is in opposite direction, so Vb minus Vs. Now speed of downstream is equals to both the speed gets added up, Vb plus Vs is denominator, and the distance is 44. So the total time for both of the upstream and downstream together is 10 hours. Question. So 30 by Vb minus Vs plus 44 by Vb plus Vs is equals to 10. This is the first equation. Now similarly, we can make second equation. The second equation is of, given that 40 km upstream it travels here, and 55 km downstream it travels in 13 hours. That's why it is 40 kilometers by Vb minus Vs, and 55 kilometers by Vb plus Vs is the total time, which is equals to 13 hours given in the equation. So this is second equation. Now to solve this two equations, it will be difficult. So let us consider 1 by Vb minus Vs as x and 1 by Vb plus Vs as y. So now the equations will change slightly. That is 30x plus 44y equals to 10. This is third equation, and 40x plus 55y equals to 13. The other two new. Now to solve these equations, it is now quite simple. Just multiply the third equation by 4 and fourth equation by 3. It will become 120x plus 170y 176y equals to 40. 120x plus 165y equals to 39. Subtracting the equations, you'll get 11y equals to 1, where y equals to 1 by 11. Similarly, substituting this in the equation 3, you'll get the value of x equals to 6 by 30, that is equals to 1 by 5. Now we have got the value of x and y here. So now let us substitute in the these equations here. Get equals to 1 by 5, which is equals to 1 by Vb minus Vs, and y equals to 1 by 11, which is equals to Vb plus. We'll get 5 equals to Vb minus Vs, 11 equals to Vb plus Vs. Cancelling this, we'll get 2 Vb equals to 16, Vb equals to 8, Vs equals to kilometer. This is the value of speed of both boat and stream in a still water, which is just to be found. So now if you want to solve more such questions, or any you want to have doubt solving sessions with me, so you can contact me, is given in the description box. Thank you.